Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you PrizePicks Instant Bank Transfer tutorial. Access your PrizePicks account through the mobile app or website. Tap the menu icon, found at the top left on mobile or top right on desktop. Select Request Withdrawal. From there, choose Instant Bank Transfer, ACH, as your withdrawal method. Next, enter the amount you'd like to withdraw, making sure it's at least $10. Double check your bank account information to ensure everything matches, as withdrawals are only allowed to accounts previously used for deposits. Once verified, click Continue and confirm your request. You'll receive a one time password via email to authenticate the transaction. Your first withdrawal may take 6 to 12 hours for verification, but every approved transaction after that will be processed instantly, putting your funds in your bank account in no time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.